If you're looking for the perfect personalized gift, this engraved whiskey set by Froke is the ultimate way to impress any whiskey lover. The set comes in a beautifully engraved wooden gift box, and every detail is designed to create an unforgettable moment. It includes an elegant crystal decanter, two matching whiskey glasses, stainless steel chilling stones, and tongs. It's everything needed for the perfect whiskey experience. The decanter and glasses are carefully crafted and customized, making them the perfect personalized gift to celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, Father's Day, or even retirement. And these stainless steel chilling stones are wonderful for keeping your drink chilled without diluting it. It preserves the full flavor of your whiskey, bourbon, or scotch. It's these thoughtful details that make Froke the top choice for whiskey lovers. Get yours today and give a gift your loved one will never forget.